I'm Marissa from beautifulyorganised.com, and today I have a little tip for you. It's a really easy way to clean out your medicine cabinet or your medicine box or your medicine container, whatever you store your medicines in. I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how I clean and organize mine. Really easy. It's only like 4 or 5 steps. Actually, I think it's 3 or 4 steps. Anyway, let's go through them one by one. So I'll show you a clip of me actually doing mine in a minute, but the basic steps are, number 1, you take everything out one by one. So each box of tablets, each little thing, you take it out one by one, you close it if it's open. Our Band-Aid boxes are always open, but you close it if it's open, and then you check the expiry date if it's something that can be consumed. Step 2 is, if the expiry date is fine, you put it down on the counter to your left. And if the expiry date is not fine, you put it down on the counter to your right. And that way you're organizing as you're emptying your cabinet or medicine box. The next step is, once everything's out of the box or the cabinet and you've sorted out into expiry date is fine, expiry date is not fine. Sorry, this is my right. I don't know if it's going to look like your right. Camera, yeah. Anyway, once that's all organized and you have an empty medicine box, then you're going to go through and do step 3, which is to clean and dry the actual medicine box or cabinet. I usually just go through with a bit of vinegar spray and a cloth, and then I dry it out with a tea towel. You can use wipes if you need to. I'm just trying really hard to be a bit more zero waste around the house, but you can use whatever works for you. And now we have a clean, empty surface to work with. So the next step and the final step is just to put everything back in. But the key to making it really well organized is to keep your like items together. So if you have 3 or 4 packets of kids' paracetamol, like I do, I always get paranoid and buy more while I'm out, thinking, oh, I hope we've got enough. And then we end up with 3 packets of the same thing. Then group those together and put them in the box together. This is something that a lot of people do naturally, but not everybody does. Not everybody thinks of it. Sometimes we just chuck things in wherever they fit. But if you group your like items together, then you're more likely to use them before they expire, because they're easy to see when you look at a glance. And most of us just have a quick glance before we go out to the shops. So yeah, that's it. That's all of the steps. Oh, I do have one bonus tip for you. If you have little things that don't fit really easily, like it might be one of those little like wart-off sticks that look like a lip balm container, or it might be one of those baby thermometers, which is like really oddly shaped. Yeah, basically if you have things that aren't in boxes, then put them in a smaller box in your medicine cabinet so that they're grouped together as well, and they don't just topple off the shelf or roll around in the box. Yeah, just makes life a little bit easier.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
I forgot to mention, it might be the same in other countries, but you have to check just in case. But in Australia, once you've sorted out your medicines and you have that bunch of expired medicines, don't throw them in the bin. You can bag them up, take them to your local pharmacy, and they will get rid of them safely for you so those medicines aren't going straight into landfill. So yeah, isn't that amazing? Okay, that's it. I'll see you next time. Bye.